Tip number 11. Shoot first, edit later. We all make mistakes during video creation. We stumble over our lines when we're narrating, or halfway through a sentence someone coughs or sneezes. People outside frequently shout or slam doors, and you're going to have to edit that out of your finished video, because it's just not something you want your audience to hear. The key is to start again or do another take, but otherwise carry on. Don't be tempted to stop creating what you need unless, of course, becomes absolutely necessary. The editing happens later. Yes, there are ways you can speed up the editing process, particularly when it comes to audio. But if you approach editing as a valuable but separate process from creating the individual elements for your video, you'll move ahead much faster.